Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited that you decided to join me today. We are going to be testing out two different kinds of powder puffs. I'm going to use them with an entire face of makeup. Instead of just the powder, I'm going to use them all for all the products. What inspired me to do this was Tati came out with this new Blendiful, and this is one Blendiful and one Baby Blendiful. It's made out of 100% polyester. She wanted to create a product that was multi-purpose. So we're gonna see how multi-purpose it really is. And we're gonna use a basic puff that I got. I think I got it for free when I made an order off of, I bought the RCMA powder and they sent me a free one of these. So it is a very generic, cheap puff. And as you can tell, it's unused. I just opened it. And then this one is also brand new. So excited. I'm gonna be opening it on camera. And this is the baby puff Tati Beauty. It's the little heart one. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. And it's really soft. It's black and it's really cute. And then the real star of the show is this big boy. Look at this. It's so soft. And comparing it to this one, as you can tell, it's about the same size. Tati's is a bit more, it's shaped in more of a triangle, and I really like it because it's softer, and when I squeeze it, it bounces right back. And same goes for this one. However, this one is stiffer. So I know that sounds really picky, but it's true. Tati's is also thinner. If you can tell. They're both super cute though, and I'm excited. I'm real excited. Okay, so in her video, she talked about being able to use cream products and being able to use powder products and whatever you need. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use my pretty fresh ColourPop tinted moisturizer. It's something that I would use on my face on any given day. I've already prepared my face. I've put moisturizer on underneath, and lately I have not been priming my face. Haven't felt the need for it. So we are just going to, I'm going to put foundation on my face on this side, and I'm also going to put foundation with my finger on my face on this side. So the right side is going to be Tati Beauty side, and the left side we're going to use camera ready. Tati suggested that you can just fold over your Blendiful and basically just start blending. I can feel the product distributing quite nicely. I think I'm going to put the foundation directly on it. I do feel like for tinted moisturizer, I like to have, it's a thin coverage already, so I'm going to put another pump on my face. It's very soft on my face. Alright, that's that side. And let's do the same on the other side. I'm going to fold this thing over and use it like I did the other one. And it's scratchier, I can tell. It's distributing the product probably just the same though, but it isn't near as soft. It's not scratchy, but it is definitely not as soft. Definitely not as luxurious feeling. Making sure to blend down the neck, and I am going to use another pump like I did on this side, because I don't want to be inconsistent with what I'm doing from one side to another. I want to really compare what is happening here. Alright, and that is this side. It's a tinted moisturizer, so it's not crazy full coverage, and that's okay with me. I am going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 10. I need to cover up a little dark spot, and we are going to use I'm going to scoot this thing over and use another surface of the Blendiful. Actually, I'm going to use the bottom triangle. The bottom angle. Now on this side when I'm blending, I can really feel, it's like it's tugging at my skin. It does not feel like that it's blending as easily. I feel like some of it's in my head, like it really is doing the same thing, but another part of me says that it is harsher. Now my nose is really red right now, so I'm going to take just a little bit of this down the bridge of my nose, which I don't do often, but I just kind of feel like it needs it today. So I can definitely attest that enjoyment level of using Tati's Blendiful is much higher than the enjoyment level of using this. And it's just a matter of it being more bendy and it being really, really, really soft. And it's just, it feels better on the skin. But other than that, I mean, it is doing the same job. I'm going to take my bronzer stick. This is Nude Sticks Sun Kissed. And I'm just going to put that on both sides. It's going to look pretty harsh at first. But wait! I'm going to take this here and blend it in. We're gonna see how well she blends. And taking another clean side. Again, it's doing the job, but I feel like it's just not as nice. It's not as enjoyable of an experience. I feel like that it's tugging at my skin, like I said the first time. It's just not the same experience. Now for the Nude Sticks blush. This is Sweet Peach Peony, and I'm just going to kind of draw it on. I've been using a lot more cream products lately because I think that cream products is kind of the way of the future in makeup anyway. And lately I haven't really been wanting to powder much because it just makes me feel, I don't know how to explain it other than I haven't been using as much powder because it seems to age the skin, and I really want fresh skin. Now you can tell there's a bit of separation here, so in color. So I think we're going to take a little bit of this blush and try to blend that a little better. Now, I don't know, this side doesn't seem to be nearly as problematic. I don't see the major gap in color on the other side like I do this side. It's working. I think that it's picking up product faster, like harsher. I think that it's not as user-friendly. It really isn't. You see that? I can't get that. I don't know if that's just my face. Take some more of the bronzer and try to bronze that little spot up. And be gentler. There we go. See, I finally got it to cover up. Whereas before it was like this major streak. I don't know. I'm not making it up, right? Okay. And then this side. I think that is now fairly well blended. Now for highlighter. I'm going to take one of Tati's favorite highlighters. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. We are just going to go straight in with the puff. This is scary. I don't know about this. I'm just going to fold it over, rub a little bit, and just kind of dab, 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 dab. That's something I've never done before, and you know what? I'm gonna do some more. It's actually not bad. And then I'm gonna do it to the other side. Whoa, I did not know that this was this shade. That's insane. Oh, wow. This again, put a little bit in the center. Cupid's bow. This is a highlighter I haven't played with in a long time now. It was my first highlighter, and I bought it because Tati's recommendation. Tea break. This is the Bigelow spiced chai tea, and y'all, it's kind of become a favorite of mine. Let me do my brows, and I am going to put a little bit of light shadow on. I'm really just going to do my eyes off camera because this is mainly a review based on just the puff and the base products. So I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I'm back. And this is what we're looking like. I put on my ColourPop Fame palette and I just used this color and this color and this color. And I think it just creates a bit of a warm kind of purple, somewhat purple look. It's not too complicated and I love it. It's one of my favorites. I feel like it's kind of subtle, but I don't know what it is about it. Let me tell you, this color in the corner, let me swatch it for you. It's so pretty, and I don't have anything else like it. It's one of my favorite colors, my favorite eyeshadow colors that I own. So that's saying something. Okay, so let's talk about the Blendiful and the other puff. So this one definitely wins, mostly because it's softer, it's nicer. This one, it definitely felt cheaper. You can tell the sides I tried to, separate when I used foundation versus when I used concealer versus when I used bronzer and highlighter and all that. So I did the same thing for this one. Tati has something magical with this one. And I don't say magical loosely. I actually kind of am surprised at how well all of my cream products went on my face for being a powder puff and not even using any powder. And I think that this doesn't have the same magic to it. As you could tell, I kind of struggled to get this side to blend together, whereas this side I really didn't have to go back in with products. And products seem to just like apply where I wanted them to and blend in and have no harsh lines, whereas this one I had to play around with it, and it probably, you could say user error. It's fine. I won't be offended, but every time I used it, it was just like not as nice, not as luxury feeling. I did not use this one. She kind of calls this one more of a touch-up throughout the day, and like if you have an oily nose or an oily forehead, you can just kind of use it to touch up. And it is so cute. Is that not just the cutest thing ever? This was $18, but this is made in China, whereas her palette was made in the USA. That wraps up this video where we compare these two puffs. This one clearly won. I don't regret buying it, and this really wasn't that expensive. However, this did cost, whereas this one was sent to me for free. So take that for whatever it's worth. It's really, I don't use this. I really don't even use it for powder, but I had it, and I thought, why not compare them? Because a lot of people are just using this, but a lot of people already have this in their collection. They have something like this, a very generic puff. And so a lot of people are asking, well, if I just use this, will it really do the same thing? And I'm here to tell you that no, they do not really do the same thing. This one really is better. So go support Tati because I think that she deserves it. She's worth it, and she's beautiful, and I aspire to be like her. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video. Bye guys.